This tutorial outlines how to create book review citations from a journal in NoodleTools. Unlike book citations, which can be directly imported from WorldCat, book reviews need to be copied into NoodleTools. On the library homepage, under Research and Citation Guides, you will find a collection of NoodleTools print tutorials as well as screencasts. This tutorial will cover the same information found in the NoodleTools Book Review Citation Guide. I will begin by logging into my NoodleTools account. If you have not created an account, please consult the directions found in the registration PDF or screencast. In the database JSTOR, I will search for book reviews on Thomas Sugrew's book, The Origins of the Urban Crisis, Race and Inequality in Post-War Detroit. First, I will go to Advanced Search. To search for book reviews, you want to filter by title and author of the book you're looking at reviews for, and then narrow results by reviews. After you change those fields, you're going to type in the title. Remember, it can be shortened. Then you will add just the author's last name. After you narrow results by review, you can submit your search. I'm going to cite this book review from the Journal of American History by Ross Miller. Let's head back to NoodleTools. To create a new citation, we always click New Source first. If an article is a digital copy of the original print version found in PDF format, use Print or In Hand and Journal. For articles from a database found in HTML format, use Database and Journal. For my article, I was able to download it as a PDF, and I could see that it was an article scanned with page numbers. Therefore, I will click Print or In Hand and Journal. The default here is Article, but under the drop-down menu, we're going to change it to Review. While some databases do give you citations you can paste into NoodleTools, it's really to your benefit to manually fill in all these fields. If you don't, then NoodleTools won't be able to help you with footnotes, and the footnote feature in NoodleTools is very helpful when you're writing papers. Plus, it's extremely easy in JSTOR since they will give you all the information that you need, and you can copy and paste it into these fields. All the information that you need for your citation is listed right here. This review is untitled. We can tell it was written by Ross Miller. It's from the Journal of American History. The journal was volume 84 and number 4 was the issue. It's published in March 1998, and it was printed on pages 1549 through 1550. Copying and pasting this information into NoodleTools is the easiest way. After you've filled in all the information, make sure you click Save to save your citation. Other videos will go into detail about the footnote feature, but I do want you to see that when you click on Options and Footnote Format, it will show you how to create footnotes in papers. As I said earlier, this is extremely helpful when you're writing papers. As always, feel free to ask the librarians if you have any questions.